If you find yourself banned from Hotels.com, you may want to appeal the decision. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Carefully read the email or notification you received regarding your ban. Understand the reasons provided for the ban, as this will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account details, booking history, and any correspondence with Hotels.com. This will support your case when you submit your appeal. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain why you believe the ban is unjust, provide any evidence that supports your claim, and express your desire to resolve the issue amicably. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to the appropriate contact at Hotels.com. This could be through their customer service email or an online form, depending on the instructions provided in your ban notification. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with Hotels.com to check the status of your appeal. Be polite and patient, as these processes can take time. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban and hopefully regain access to your Hotels.com account. Good luck!